Welcome to Cook It, and today we're making burgers, a quintessential backyard barbecue item for any summer's day. What you'll need is 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 tablespoon of mixed herbs, 1 onion, a tomato, 2 teaspoons of salt, 600 grams of mince, some burger buns, and any cheese of your choice. Let's get started. What you're gonna do first is get your mince into a bowl for mixing. Any mince works, but a fattier mince gives a better flavor. Now you can add your finely chopped onions. Fine as you can cut them, or just toss them in a food processor. A few turns of my Himalayan pink salt, any salt works. And then you add the mixed herbs. Finally, add the soy sauce. Mix until it looks the same. People always debate about whether a burger is a sandwich or not. I don't think so. A burger is a burger, and a sandwich is a sandwich. Let's just leave it at that. The debate of a century is over. Cover that mix and let that rest in the fridge for 30 minutes. Okay. Now that our mix is out of the fridge, take a handful of your burger mix and shape it into a burger patty, about the size of your buns. You may want it slightly larger because the patty will shrink a bit, but you'll be fine either way. Now, onto the buns. Cut your buns in half and spread some butter on each side. You'll notice that I'm using a spoon because, contrary to popular belief, the best utensil for spreading butter is not a butter knife. It is, in fact, the spoon. Get your buns onto a hot pan. We want the butter to melt and those edges to get toasted. We do that because we don't want a soggy bun due to all the juices. Always toast your buns. This provides a firmer base, and that means your burger will not fall apart. Just keep moving around so they don't stick to the pan. Now that they're toasted, let's remove them. Add your burger patties to an old pan on a medium-high heat. Make sure to move them around initially so they don't stick. Then you can leave them alone for the next 3 minutes. There's nothing quite like the smell of a cooking burger patty. It's just heavenly. Flip them once the side is brown. Do the same thing on the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, we add the cheese or cheese slices. You could add any cheese you wish here, as long as it melts, processed or otherwise. Cover with a lid. This helps the cheese melt. You only need to do this for about 1 minute. Once the cheese is melted, you can remove from the pan and add to your burger buns topped with lettuce, your sliced tomato, and any topping that you want. And there you have it, our homemade burger. And, as my resident taster Brian will show, this is one that'll top any other burger without leaving your house. Tune in next time to see what we cook next.